Hi, I'm Mackenzie Dean, and this video is going to be talking about how and when to use a capo. So the capo can be probably one of the biggest tools in the guitar player's toolbox, but it can also be a hindrance. We're going to talk about both sides of that. But first, I'm going to simply explain how it could be used to effectively change keys. So let's say that we're going to play a song that's normally in the key of G, so we just learned that in the last video. So we're here. And let's say that the person that's leading or singing in this song wants to move it up to the key of A. And so what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, here's a G note. That's the root note of this chord, right? So that's going to be two half steps. So I have G sharp and then A. So what we're going to do is we're going to play these same chord shapes, but obviously if we play it open, that's not a pretty sound. We don't want that. So we need to take this nut of the guitar and move it up 2 frets as well, which is basically what the capo does, is it takes the nut and moves it up to the place you need it to be in order to play those open shapes. So now it looks like I'm playing a G chord, but with the capo, I'm actually playing an A chord. So then I can proceed to play the same chord shapes that I would play in G, but I'm playing in the key of A. I want to throw in a disclaimer here, though, that a lot of times what happens for guitar players and why it's important to always be learning new chord shapes is you'll come across a song or a key change and you'll immediately either walk away from learning the song or capo it and play shapes you know. I want to encourage you to, if you don't know a chord shape, if you don't know how to play in the key of A openly, try to learn it. Try to learn those other chord shapes because what can happen is in the band, if everyone's capoed, there's a lot of potential for muddiness and overlap there. And so being able to change keys quickly and effectively is really awesome with the capo, but it can also be more helpful sometimes to learn to play those chords openly. So a capo allows you to play a wide range of songs and change keys really easily.